Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, your savings just aren't growing? Or maybe you've wondered, how do people even start investing when they barely have extra cash? It's frustrating when money sits idle in your bank account, earning next to nothing. The good news is you don't need a fortune to start. You just need to start smart. In this video, I'll show you how to turn $500 into a foundation for future wealth. Whether you're saving for a house, building a retirement plan, or just want to stop worrying about money, this step-by-step plan is for you. Section 1. The Basics of Investing. Let's start with the basics. Investing might sound overwhelming, but it's just a way to grow your money over time. Think of stocks as owning a small piece of a company. For example, when you buy stock in Apple, you own part of that company. As the company grows, the value of your shares can grow too. But there's a catch. Prices can go up or down depending on the market. Now, ETFs. Imagine these as baskets filled with various stocks or bonds. Instead of betting on one company, ETFs let you invest in many companies at once, lowering your risk. Mutual funds are similar to ETFs, but they're actively managed by professionals who charge fees to decide what goes in the fund. Beginners often prefer ETFs because of their simplicity and lower cost. Understanding these basics is key to making informed decisions about your investments. Start small, learn as you go, and remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Section 2. Platforms to start investing. Once you understand the basics, the next step is finding the right platform to start investing. There are plenty of beginner-friendly options. Apps like Robinhood and Webull are popular because they make buying stocks and ETFs easy. They also have no commission fees, which means you're not paying extra every time you invest. If you want a platform with more tools, consider Fidelity or Vanguard. They're perfect for long-term investors and offer features like retirement accounts and automatic reinvestment. And for those who want investing to feel effortless, apps like Acorns or Stash are amazing. They round up your spare change from daily purchases and invest it into diversified portfolios automatically. The key is choosing a platform that aligns with your comfort level. Take some time to explore, and don't be afraid to start with just one app to keep things simple. Section 3. Building your beginner portfolio. Now that you have your $500 and a platform to invest on, let's talk about building a portfolio. This is where you decide how to split your money among different investments to balance risk and reward. Here's a simple plan. $250 in ETFs. ETFs like VOO, Vanguard S, and P500 are beginner-friendly because they spread your investment across 500 major U.S. companies. This means even if one company struggles, others can balance it out. $150 in individual stocks. Choose one or two companies you believe in. For example, if you're excited about technology, consider Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. Love healthcare? Companies like Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson could be solid picks. $100 in bonds or REITs. Bonds are stable and provide consistent returns. REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in real estate without owning property. These add diversity to your portfolio, reducing overall risk. Remember, investing isn't about perfection, it's about progress. This portfolio gives you a balanced start, with opportunities to grow and learn as you go. Section 4. Actionable tips for long-term success. Now that your portfolio is set, how do you ensure it grows over time? Here are 3 game-changing tips. Start early. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. For example, $500 invested at a 7% annual return becomes over $5,000 in 30 years without adding another penny. Be consistent. After your initial $500, aim to invest regularly, even $50 a month. It's like building a snowball. Small efforts create big results over time. Stay informed and patient. Markets can be unpredictable. Don't panic when prices drop. That's often when the best opportunities arise. Use downturns as a chance to buy more investments at a discount. Think of your portfolio as a plant. Water it consistently, invest regularly, give it sunlight, learn and adapt, and let it grow naturally. Be patient. So, what will you do with your $500? Imagine where you could be a year, 5 years, or even 10 years from now if you start today. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building the foundation for financial freedom. Every small step you take now brings you closer to that goal. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your questions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're planning to invest in or any challenges you're facing. Let's grow your wealth together, one step at a time. See you in the next video.